everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making braised pork belly with eggs. The aromatics that you're going to need are ginger, garlic, star anise, peppercorns, cinnamon, and dried bay leaves. We use 5 to 6 eggs for a family of 3. 2 strips of pork belly of 1.5 inch thickness. Fill the pot with water and throw 2 slices of ginger in. Now blanch your pork and boil your eggs. Blanch the pork on low heat for 15 minutes. Boil the eggs on medium heat for 20 minutes. Smash your cloves of garlic. And our hard-boiled eggs are ready. After the pork's been blanched, remove it from the heat and rinse the meat. Slice the pork belly into good even chunks. Now add cooking oil into a clean pot and then throw in your aromatics. Now put your pork into the pot with your aromatics and allow the meat to cook for a little. The next step is to add 3/4 to 1 cup of soya sauce. Three tablespoons of cooking caramel. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir and add 3 cups of water to your pot. Stir and allow the braised pork to simmer now. Peel your hard-boiled eggs and add it to the pot. Simmer until you have 1/4 of the water left. And ta-da! We have braised pork that we can serve with rice. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching!